Alright, this is my 2005 Ducati 749 Dark. Haven't really done much to it. Just did a full system, put a power commander on it, because luckily the ECU that I got with it wasn't unlocked, and nor did I want to spend $500 to get it all done, so I went with the power commander. There's the future camera mount. Kind of just rigged that up and trying a couple different ways instead of spending $100 on one. Just got the integrated tail light because my turn signal decided to fall off, and then I proceeded to pick that up, and then a car ran over it, so good story behind that. But this looks much better anyways. And I made a custom fender eliminator just by some hangers, so just attach those, bend it around, pretty easy to do. Guarantee it's very illegal because you can't see the license plate, which is my goal. Just to cover, nothing special on that. These tires are Super Corsa 3s. Definitely very good tire. I like it a lot. Dive into corners a lot easier with this than the Dunlap that was on here. So check that out. Hold up pretty well. In Minnesota, which is where I'm currently at, doesn't really have too many curves. So as you can see the center here, you can see actually the pattern difference from the soft compound on the side here and the harder compound here, and you're not really seeing much wear, which is good. So I'll start this thing up so you guys can hear it. It's a little cold-blooded, so